Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through the complete process of setting up a Facebook engagement ad to increase your page likes and followers. Perfect for beginners who want to grow their audience. Step 1. Open Facebook app and go to Ads Manager. Open the Facebook app or use a browser. Go to Meta Ads Manager to begin creating your ad. Step 2. Create a new campaign. Click on the Create button. Select the engagement objective. Choose Page Likes under Engagement Options. Step 3. Set campaign name and budget. Give your campaign a name, for example, Page Like Campaign April. Turn on Advantage Campaign Budget and set your daily or lifetime budget as per your preference. Step 4. Set ad set details. Click Next to go to the ad set level. Name your ad set, e.g., Audience Set 1. Under Conversion Location, select Facebook page. Choose the Facebook page you want to gain likes and followers for. Step 5. Set schedule and audience. Set your start and end date, along with the time. Target location, country, city, or specific area. Turn on Advantage Plus Audience for smarter targeting. Set your preferred age range and gender. Under Detailed Targeting, choose interests, demographics, or behaviors relevant to your audience. Step 6. Click Next to go to the ad level. Name your ad, e.g., like Ad Creative 1. Select an existing post or upload a new video or image. Write your primary text caption. Make it engaging and clear. Make sure the call to action is set to like page. Step 7. Review all settings once again. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your engagement ad will go for review and then start running. And that's how you run a Facebook engagement ad to get more likes and followers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips.